Seeing for the first time some new shocking video inside of the Pasco County Jail. Deputies aiming a shotgun and firing a non-lethal round at an unruly inmate. The blast causing serious injury. And as ABC Action News reporter Karen Polum tells us, the man's attorney says it should have never happened.
New video tonight shows Pasco jail deputies confronting a combative inmate, ordering him to snap on handcuffs for a cell inspection. Matthew Trevino was in jail for a misdemeanor probation violation and refused to cooperate with officers. His family says he suffers from schizophrenia. As the confrontation escalates, deputies decide to fire a concussion round through the food slot. The round they used produces an intense blast and a bright flash, but the manufacturer says it should never be fired at people.
It was one of the worst examples I've ever seen of how to treat a human being and kind of the mental, situation he was going through.
The round seriously injured Trevino. His attorney, Lee Perlman, is now suing the Pasco Sheriff's Office.
In the photographs, you can see tendon, bone. It's a deep penetration. Had this been an inch farther to the left, realistically, he would have died from it.
The sheriff launched an internal affairs investigation, but no officers were disciplined. Investigators say the deputy was aiming at the floor and didn't mean to hit Trevino.
I felt like screaming and crying. The pain was basically felt like I lost a leg.
Trevino now lives in Chicago. On the phone tonight, Trevino says he's had 3 surgeries to repair the wound, but continues to have issues.
I've got pain when I walk. I can't walk long distances.
The Pasco Sheriff's Office released this statement. A criminal with a violent history in the jail failed to comply with lawful directions. His actions dictated our reaction. In Pasco County, I'm Cameron Polk, ABC Action News.